Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn investor here, and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we are all here to make some money. So, if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. All right, let's see what we have for today. Pre-market, I'm actually watching SPY. SPY is clearly on a downtrend. So at market open, I would wait for the first 5 minutes to confirm that SPY is on a downtrend. So if the downtrend is confirmed, then I would be bearish on the day. So my primary watch for today is Tesla. Tesla is clearly on a downtrend. It's trying to rebound, but as of now, it's on a downtrend. So I would wait for the first 5 minutes to confirm the downtrend, and then I'll be looking to buy puts on pops. So on Tesla, if you look at the daily chart, you have a gap at around $912 and $940. So there is a gap which obviously should fill. Unfortunately, in pre-market, the gap is already filled, and I'm expecting the stock to actually pop and then continue down. So I'll be watching Tesla for pops to buy puts. In other words, to go short on Tesla. So that's the plan going into market open. We do have around 9 minutes to market open. So I'll go ahead and pause for now, and I'll talk to you guys at market open. The market is open. Tesla actually broke the pre-market high. So I'm not bearish as well as I'm not bullish as of now. A lot of indecision. Clearly, I don't have a sense of the direction in which the stock wants to play as of now. So I'll wait for the stock to confirm which direction it wants to go. Based on that, I'll take either calls or puts. As of now, no trades. So now I think I am bearish because SPY is on the red. I want Tesla to confirm that it's bearish, and then I'll be playing it. So this level, I want the stock to break 917 and continue down. Only then I'm interested in buying puts. It's very likely to break it and go down, but I'll keep an eye. I want a big flush, and then I'm interested. So right now, yeah, it's breaking. It's confirming. I'm getting in. I'm in 5 contracts at 635. Now it's failing. I'll take some off. It's trying to fight. Take some off at 7. Giving it some time. I don't like it. I may be looking to cut my loser, but giving it some more time. It's coming down now. It's all over the place. Only 5 contracts, so it should not be a big loser. If it breaks 924, I'm out. It was a bit early to the trade, but with 5 contracts, I'm completely fine with that loser. It's breaking down now. If it breaks this low, then it's going to dump. It's coming back again. Not a good sign. Getting out? Yep, I'm out. On the trade, I lost around $925, which is something I can always make it back. I was in the money for a while, but I gave it some time. I should have waited a little more to get into the trade. I'm not worried about my exit. The only reason why I took the trade was it went below this support line. That's when I added or bought puts. Glad that I just went with 5 contracts. The good thing about the last trade was I stick to my plan. So every time Tesla tries to come down, it's being bought up. So definitely a lot of indecision. The bulls and bears are fighting. and I don't want to be a part of the fight. So I'll stay away for now. So Tesla actually broke the day's high, it's continuing higher. SPY is turning green. So I would be flipping to calls because now I'm bullish, but I'm extra careful. Now I'm interested in calls around the 927, 930 area. So I'll wait. I think today we don't have a clear direction in the markets. SPY is moving from red to green, green to red, and that leaves me confused. So when you are confused, better stay away. Now I'm interested. Looks more of a good setup now. If it breaks 941, that would be perfect, which I think it should do. So we do have around 30 seconds for this candle to close. It's flushing. Not ready to take the trade now. The flush is on very low volume. So this level is clearly acting as a support. It's not giving up. So Tesla is strong. I was planning around 960. I was late again. Missed it. Again, I did not pull the trigger. It actually touched my support level and then bounced back. Bummer there. I should have placed my order. Now I'm interested in 930. Bad luck there. That was a perfect level and it bounced off that level. So as of now, no trades. I think Tesla is coming back, but this time I'm not interested in 960. I'll be looking at 930. The low of this candle was 973. Anyhow, I would not have got my order for sure. Placing an order at 930 because this time I don't want to miss, and then at 830. Move it to 860. So placing two orders out there, but I think 930 may be an aggressive ask there, but I'll stick to my guts. Yep, I'm in. I'll be quick to sell. 980, I'm taking it out. I got filled at 1010. That's good. Now it's going, but that's completely fine. Since it's very quick, you should take some money off the table when you have it. Actually, since I was just in 5 contracts, I decided to pull the trigger and take the full position out. The EMA bounce, that's exactly what happened just now. 830, you're up already 70 cents. So clearly Tesla is showing strength. That's actually good because you may get multiple entries. It's not flushing. I'm interested in Tesla again only if it wants to make a move higher, because this level 926 is very close to yesterday's close. So I'll not be taking those levels right now, but I'm just keeping that for reference. So right now, no more setups until Tesla breaks 939. So I'll go ahead and pause for now. Tesla is having a lot of support around the 931 area. Anytime it comes down, it's bouncing off. But if it breaks, then I think it's going to be a flush. So that's why I'm not buying now. I bought the first pullback, was able to get out quickly, but now it's retesting those levels, and that to me is a red flag. Yup, look at that flush. The bid is around 740. It's moving into red, just a few cents away from going red on the day, which actually gives me a bearish sentiment on it. Now it's red on the day, low was 650, selling off, bouncing off 923 as expected. It's going to continue lower probably. Yep, exactly. So if you remember, in the first put position, I was actually expecting this level to break and I jumped in anticipating that and it bounced off. So now if this level breaks and continue down, it confirms that it has turned bearish and I'll be looking to buy pops. So I want the stock to break this level, continue down, and then on the pushback up, I'll be looking to buy puts. Only if that happens. If not, I'll stay away for now. Tesla approaching that breakdown point, as you could see here. This was the area where I bought puts. So I'm switching to puts for now. I actually bought 900 strike price at 635, but now it's at 485. So I'm looking to take the 910 strike price right now. I want it to flush, come back, and then I'll be adding in the higher levels. Because now it's bearish sentiment. Yep, it's going down. Just removing these levels for now. So I do have 3 levels for add. I'm not taking it yet. Looking at 910 strike price. All what I'm doing right now is wait for confirmation. Now you see, this is why it is important to wait for confirmation. And now it has broken my 3 levels. So if it comes down again and breaks down the lowest level 917, continue lower, I'm expecting pop back to that level. That is where I would be a buyer of puts. In the first trade that I did, I anticipated this level to break and continue lower, which did not happen because I did not wait for confirmation. Since it was my first trade for the day, I got a little impatient and I paid the price for that. This time I don't want to repeat the same mistake, so I'll keep waiting. As you could see here, had I bought puts anticipating the breakdown, again, it would have been a big loser. As a day trader, you should be learning from your mistakes, and I'm glad that I did not repeat the same mistake. Tesla back to green on the day. Right now, it's actually trading within a window. The window is $941 and $917. You could find a couple of setups between it, but that's not my strategy or my setup. So if it breaks 941 and continue higher, I'm bullish. I'll be looking to buy calls. If it breaks down below 970, 980 and continue down, then I'm bearish. I flipped to call options just to see the premium prices. The call option went to $431 and now it's at $875. So a big move, and that move happened because of these 2 candles. I'm not interested in calls as of now unless Tesla breaks 941 area. I'm not interested in a call option, and I'm not interested in a put option as well at this time because it clearly bounced off the 917 area. You could have made a lot of money if you bought a call position over here, but it was bearish and suddenly it flipped. So you have no way of knowing this is coming. Tesla putting on a fight here. It's trying to break this level and continue higher, but I'm not interested yet. But I should say I'm now bullish on this one. So I flipped to 935 calls. The premium is at 1035, 1060. But unless it confirms that it wants to go higher, I'm not interested. SPY recovery, and that explains why Tesla is also moving higher. Changing to 940 strike price. Yep, it's breaking 941.86. That's the previous high. It should break with strength. It's not happening. 941.86 right now, it's 941.50. Yep, it broke. That is good. Hoping it continues higher again. We do have around 3 minutes for this 5-minute candle to close. Yep, it's continuing higher. That's a good sign. High is 944.49. 960, I'll be making my first add. It's not 960 actually. 1050. That is good to see. So good to see. We do have around 40 seconds for this candle to close. I'll be interested if the stock pulls back to 940 area, then 936, and then 930. So those are the levels that I'm watching. That's exactly my setup. Strength followed by pullback. So this level is $12. So maybe I'll change it to $12.10 for my first ad. I like it even better now. 946 is another level, but I'm a bit hesitant to take a trade around that area because that would be too high. Just marking it for now. That's the low of the current candle. So 950 strike price also looks good. Getting in 685, and I'm selling 3 contracts at $8.15, and then selling 1 at $8.55. I didn't get that. Selling at $8.25, and now holding 1 contract from $6.85. Just getting out. That was a perfect trade, the right trade, waited for it patiently, pulled the trigger when the stock approached close to around this level, because I knew like I have to be aggressive because Tesla can go quickly, and that's exactly what happened. On that trade, I'm not sure exactly how much I made, but I'm now green on the day. It just takes one good trade. On that trade, my entry was around $6.85, and I sold 3 contracts at $8.30, 1 at $8.47, and the last one at $8.06. All right, now it is even better. Looks like it doesn't want to slow down. Probably it's going to bounce off 1060, but 908. But I'll keep waiting. 1050 breaks, then I think it's going to go lower. So maybe I'll get my first ad around 1010, placing the order out there, going aggressive there because I want more than 5 contracts so that I could make a second ad around this area and the third ad around this area. Yep, I got my first ad. My second ad would be around 945.20. If it wants to go back to $11, I'll exit. 3 contracts. Yep, I'm out of 3. Now just 1 contract. Maybe I'll sell at 1050. And then 1070. Yep, that was a quick trade, but still I did not get my 2 ads. So now I'll start the process over the EMA bounce, anticipating the stock to bounce off the EMA. We do have around 2 minutes for this candle to close. Maybe I'll get one more trade and then I'll call it a day. I think so far with the last 3 trades, I made close to around $1,400, which actually puts me green on the day. Look at Tesla. What a move. It's wonderful. Now I think I'll get more entries. 1210, that's my first entry. Keeping my order for now. Low was 1245. I'll wait. Not ready now because I wanted to get in that flush, which did not happen. So now I'll keep an eye. 1110, I'm getting in. And the 10 contracts I would be buying around 951.60. I'm waiting. 10:30, I'm getting in. I did not get my ad. Canceling now. Not in a hurry to jump in right now. If it's over 11:50, I'll take some off. That's what I'm waiting. I think it should break. Taking 3 off just to offload some. Taking another 2 off at 11:65. I was a bit slow there. Maybe I have to sell it now at the ask. Just selling it 11:20. I'm out. That was a quick scalp. Did not make much money on it. I got 20 cents on 3 contracts and 10 cents on 2 contracts. I did not like how it was slowing down, so just took it off. $670. I think I have no reasons to complain. I've been trading for almost 2 hours now, and I think I am overstretching. Being a Friday, I don't want to overtrade and go red on the day, so I think I'll call it today. So today's video, I think we have captured some good trades, some good thoughts, how I actually flipped from a bearish sentiment to a bullish sentiment very quickly. And I think from an education standpoint, I think today's video would be of great value. Overall, a great day of trading, making $671. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.